Okay, so today, first of all, as soon as you get your paper, you're going to go ahead and write your name on it and your class period number. The next thing we're going to do, you've got these copies at your table. They're taped down, one facing each direction. We're going to work on line today and texture. We'll slowly fill this in over the next couple of days. But today, over two pieces of the star, go ahead and write line using the Sharpie, filling those two pieces. And once you've labeled it, you're going to go ahead and use a Sharpie or a black pen and decorate inside using line. If you are experimenting with lines and filling this in, you want to make sure that you don't lose your label. So I'm switching to a black pen so that it stands out against my label. I'm going back over my line label to make it wider so it stands out more. Okay, the next section you're going to do over here, this is just going to be 1/2 of a point, is going to be texture. So that's 1/2 of a point. So I've got my label in there. Now looking at the texture sheets that are at your table, you can do any kind of texture you want. It does not have to be one of the ones on this sheet. This is just to give you some ideas. So we're going to work with the black pen and Sharpie again. And you want to fit in 3 different textures. So I've got that one texture filling up kind of a lot, so the other 2 aren't going to be quite as big of a space. Okay, then for cleanup, you're going to gather up the Sharpies and the pens and they go back in the black basket at your table. Your project that has your name and your class period on it is going to go in the project folder for your table. This is the same color with the same artist as the sign floating above your table, and this should be your class period. You're going to put your project into the project folder. Make sure all your pens and markers are in the basket, and stay in your seats for the bell.